I have been trying to find video editing clients in the last few weeks, and I recently made my portfolio. Now, I'm not someone who is making millions from video editing, but I did manage to find 5 clients in the last 3 months. And what did really help me? A stunning portfolio. So in this video, I will show you how to make an awesome video editing portfolio that grabs your prospects' attention. So the first step is to choose your niche. So I have been researching the video editing market for a while, and I noticed that there are a number of styles that you can choose. You can choose talking head videos, or maybe documentary videos, or vlog style videos, or you can also choose funny reaction videos. But you can't do all of them. So personally, I realized that me and my teammates are good with talking head videos, so we decided to stick to that. So now I knew what type of people would take my services. Creators and brands who are creating educational content or maybe tutorials. Now I was really tempted to edit different styles of videos like documentary style or maybe funny type of content. But I realized that it will take us some time to get good at them. So I suggest that stick with 1 or 2 styles in the beginning and pitch accordingly. The second step is obvious: to add work samples. Now, if you don't have work samples in your portfolio, then it's not a portfolio. So what I did is that I added some of my best videos to my portfolio along with some of my client videos. If you're starting out, you might not have video samples. In that case, you can just shoot yourself and edit that video. Or maybe you can help out a friend to edit his video and add that as a sample to your portfolio. You can also do an internship if you want. The goal here is to start showcasing your work. Now let's say you have work samples. So simply add them to your portfolio. Try to add the best parts of your videos in the portfolio anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds because you want to show how good your editing is. As a bonus, you can describe the editing techniques you're using in your video, or you can also show a before and after comparison of your video editing process. Try to add 1 to 2 styles of editing in your portfolio. That will add diversity. Now here is a bonus tip. So I recently went on to Fiverr to check out what video editors are doing there, and I was mind blown by looking at their samples and portfolio. So you can always take inspiration from other editors on platforms like Fiverr. Another important section is to add your skills. If you're finding this video valuable, hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content like this. Now personally, as a video editor, I like to focus on skills like motion graphics, special effects, sound mixing, and maybe color grading. Similarly, you have to add your sub-skills as per your editing style. Next comes the testimonial section. Here you can add your past clients that you've worked with. You can also add a video testimonial if you have one, but try to describe what project you did for them so that the testimonial has some context. Also, don't forget to add a small para introducing yourself and your USP. Now coming to the final question, where to make your portfolio? So personally, I like Canva because it gives me a lot of templates to choose from. But you can also use other options like upload your video on Google Drive and share the link with the client, or maybe upload it to YouTube and make it a private video and then share the link with the clients. One more interesting option is to make a website portfolio. Now this is what I did recently because I have a background in websites. But you can also use a simple website builder like Framer. Just make sure it's simple and easy to access. Coming to the end, remember that finding good clients also depends a lot on the platform that you're using. Are you using LinkedIn or are you using cold emails? Yes, an awesome portfolio will help you grab attention, but it will only work if you send it to the right people. Personally, I have gotten good clients from Upwork, and LinkedIn has also been a good platform for me. So if you made it this far, then click on the left video to see how to get clients from Upwork. Or if you want to dig deeper into making a portfolio step by step, then click on the right video.